Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 every 60 seconds again and again in PayPal money. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out my channel, and it's going to help out this video to go viral. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, I have an Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up on there, and I need you to follow me. So what you're going to do is go to AppGrind on Instagram, or you can just click on the link in the description below. Give me a follow, and I will follow you back, guys. All you gotta do is just leave a DM, let me know that you follow me, and I'll follow you back, guys. Alright. Please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, drop it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. I'm not too far away from 7,000, guys, so please type that code word down there so you can get a chance to win the free money. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. So this is one of the tools you're going to be using to make some money every 60 seconds. As you can see, here's a picture of me, handsome fella right here. And what you do is you upload a photo here, and it removes the background. Here's the original. So that's the original background right there. And then once I upload it, it takes away the background. Now you can also edit it if you want a different background or a different color. So you just click right here where it says Editor Tool. And what you're going to do is go over here to the left, and you can pick any background you wanted. See it? You have a Facebook cover. You can also add text. And you can add colors in the background. So there's different colors. So what you're going to be doing, guys, is you're going to use this tool right here to make some money. So it's a lot of people out there that are looking to remove background from their photos, and they don't know about this tool on the internet. So they go to certain sites to order these type of services. So what I'm going to do is take you to two websites where you'll be able to offer these services to them. So let me go to the first website. Okay guys, I'm at the first website, and the name of this website is 5Squid. So what I did is search for removal background, and this is what came up. So these people here are offering that service. So this person right here, they're charging $20. I will do photo background removal. Here's another one charging $5. Here's another one charging $5. $5, $20. Here's another one, $5. So it's a lot of people out there offering these type of services. So it's some competition, guys, but if you offer more, like if you say I'll do 10 background removals for you and charge $30 or $40 or something like that, you'll get more clients to want to use your service over these others. Now, I have one more website I'm going to show you where you can go ahead and use both of these sites and make some good money, guys, every 60 seconds. So let me go to the second website. Okay, guys, I'm at the second website. The name of this website is People Per Hour. So I went ahead and searched for removal background. And as you can see, these people right here, they are charging $10. Some will charge even $50. 13, 10, 20. This person right here charging $246. This person right here charging $95. So on this site, guys, you can charge a little bit more, and it's not that much competition. As you can see here, 151 found. Guys, this is a good opportunity, guys, to get on this site and make a lot of money doing this, because you don't have that much competition. So that's all I'm going to say about this website, guys. And this is the whole method. Very, very simple, guys. Very simple. All right, family. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today in this video. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys. One more thing I want to do before I end this video. I do shout outs. The way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Keep checking out my videos. If you're sharing my videos, keep sharing. Keep hitting that like button and help this channel to grow. All right, guys. That's it. Road to 7,000. We're going to get there. We're going to get there before this month is over. We're in the month of November. Let's get there, guys. I hope I brought some value to you guys today. Please drop a comment and let me know where you're from, because I want to cater to all you guys that are from all different countries around the world. So please type in the comments below where you're from. All right, that's it. Thanks again, and make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.